Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Hold the 2019 Tahoe fob with the key ring toward you and inspect the seam where the two halves meet. Use a flat plastic pry tool at the release notch to gently separate the case. This prevents scratching. If you see a tiny Phillips screw, remove it first and set it aside. Once the case opens a hair, use your thumb to walk the seam around until the two halves separate fully, exposing the internals safely. Once opened, you'll see the coin cell and the circuit board. Pause and note the battery polarity and model so you can replace it correctly. Use a plastic pick to lift the battery straight up. Do not pry on the contacts, and set the old cell aside. While the board is exposed, examine rubber buttons and metal contacts for wear or grime. Clean lightly with isopropyl and a cotton swab if needed. Replacing the battery now ensures the fob will function reliably. Put the new CR 2032 battery in with the correct polarity, align the circuit board and rubber keypad, then press the shell halves together until they snap into place. If you removed a screw, reinstall it now. Once assembled, stand near the Tahoe and test lock, unlock, panic, and remote start functions as applicable. If a function fails, try resyncing per vehicle manual or remove and reseat the battery and contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.